Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel, and I know I don't have any makeup on. I am pretty aware of that. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I clean my brushes that I haven't cleaned for probably since I gave birth. I know it's been a long time and I know that kind of sounds disgusting, but I'm the only one who uses my brushes, so I do me, you do you, okay? It's gonna be like a random rambles too. So I'm gonna be talking about anything and everything under the sun. So if you wanna just sit down and hang out with me, I'm feeling kind of a little depressed also these days. So yeah, I'd really like to hang out with you guys. So yeah, if you wanna see and just chit chat with me while I'm cleaning my brushes with Olivia, just keep on watching. Alright, so before I go to the sink and show you guys how I do the whole shebang, I'm going to show you guys first the tools that I use. This one right here, I got this from Sigma. And I know this is expensive. I can remember buying this for 25 bucks and I really have no idea why I did that. I was just one of those things that marketing does. But it is good. If you have the money, you got something to spend on, and you're thinking what to buy when it comes to like a brush pad, like a brush cleaning pad, you could go with this because I really like this actually. But you can go and look for a cheaper one. I actually found one from Amazon. I got this idea from Kathleen Lights, and she uses this brush egg, which is really cheap. You can go ahead and buy that, and that's very recommendable. Kathleen Light said it's bomb. It is bomb, girl. So yes, go ahead. If you're on a budget and you need a brush cleaning pad, you can go ahead and get that brush egg from Amazon. And I like this because it got different types of ridges on it. Zoom in, yeah, see, this part is the rinse part, this part is the wash, and then this part is the refine part right here. This part also at the back, it's got refine plus, so you got some extra cleaning to do. You can go ahead and use this part right here. It's really easy to use because like that. See, this is how I do it. I don't know if this is the right way of holding it, but I kind of figured things out on my own. If I am wrong, I am so sorry. I am not that type of genius. So yeah, I made it work. It works. So why not? So next one is this Blender Cleanser Solid. This is from Beauty Blender, of course. This one, I have no idea how much this costs, but I think it's around also 20 bucks like that. I'm going to be flashing it on the screen once I search it later because my phone is downstairs. As you can see, I am not me right now. I told you I've been on a depression side lately, so I don't know what's happening to me. But anyways, back to this. I like this because it does clean my brushes, plus it smells like I'm in a spa. So it's very relaxing. So your brushes tends to smell the same as well, of course. So it's gonna smell like that. So it's gonna make it more relaxing, and it adds to the effect of, ooh, my brush is clean, you know? Something like that. So it makes it look cuter. By the way, she knows how to play with her saliva, and I like that, you know. She kind of plays it with her tongue as well. It's kind of messy, but she's growing. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and go to the bathroom. Here I am. Okay, I just zoom you in because this is the point, you know, the brush, not me. So I'm about to show you how I clean my brush. I put my Beauty Blender cleanser right here by the faucet. And then, of course, I hold my brush pad right here. And these are my brushes. As you can see, they're really, really dirty. And yeah, it's been months since I've cleaned them, but I don't care. I'm the only one who uses them. But I don't recommend that, especially for people that have sensitive skin and for hygiene purposes as well. It's not really good to do it that way. You should clean your brushes consistently. For me, my suggestion, you should clean it actually once a week or once in 2 weeks. Depends on how much you use them. But yeah, these are my brushes. Again, they're very dirty, as you can see, and they're mixed. Some are synthetic brushes, some are real hair. So yeah, Okay, so of course you're gonna turn on the faucet. I only turn it really low like this. And then I pick up a brush. So this brush right here is really, really dirty, as you can see. And this brush right here is from Japanese. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it's, yeah, moving on. I rinse my brush pad like this. I wet it out, and then I wet out the brush as well. And then I start to dip it on my beauty blender soap like so until it gets really, really soapy. After that, I choose this ridges right here where it says wash. That's where I clean it up first. And I do like circular motions. Be kind of soft as well, because you don't need to be really harsh on this, because it's the ridges that does the job, you know. You're only here to kind of guide the brush. So I do this motion right here. Sometimes I go circular as well. It depends on my mood, but be really, really gentle because you don't want to destroy your brush. And this spa brush right here, this spa pad brush, I have no idea what to call this. It's probably been a year since I bought this. It's really good because it's got silicone soft bristles that are very gentle on your brush, whether that's real hair or synthetic brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it also in the lower part. And then after that, I rinse it out. That's it. As you can see, it's very clean, really easy, and this is real hair, and real hair gets to be stained really easily, and it's actually really hard to clean other than synthetic brushes. And you can see how clean this one right here is using these two tools that I have. See how clean it is? It's very clean, it's nice and new. That's basically what I do for all the brushes, and this one right here is a synthetic one. Again, I wet the brush out. I dip it on my soap like so until it gets really, really soapy. Brush it here. And then wash it here. Ta-da! Clean brush. And then I do the same thing for all of it. Okay, let's try a bigger brush. I'm going to show you. Look at this. This is pretty big. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wet it out. See? By the way, this brush that I'm cleaning is actually Bretman Rock's favorite foundation brush. This is the Morphe M457. And I have to be honest, I really don't like it. Like, it gives me streaks and all. I don't know if I haven't really gotten the technique on how to use this brush. It's basically a stippling brush, like a stippling buffer brush. I'm sure you guys follow Jaclyn Hill and all. I'm so curious about her and her husband. Like, I feel like there's something going on because both of them aren't addressing the comments that people are commenting on their comment section on Instagram and on YouTube about, you know, are they getting divorced? Are they having marital problems? But I get it. It's a personal thing. But usually they really address stuff, especially if it's false. If it's not true, if it's just, you know, hoax rumors. But this time, she's ignoring it and he's ignoring it. So there's gotta be something. What do you think? I think there is something. This brush is really dirty. This is my favorite stippling foundation brush. This is the M442. I love this brush more than the Bretman Rock brush. This one's much, much better. And you know, not to throw shade at Jaclyn Hill, But I've been watching her before she became Jaclyn Hill, you know. One time she addressed that issue about, you know, the rumors that her and John are getting divorced. That was like probably 2 years ago on a YouTube channel, and then she said that if ever that happens, she's gonna be out of social media for probably like 6 months. I can remember that vividly. That's what she said. And that she'll continue to upload tutorials. She's not. At least other YouTubers like Jeffree Star, he's really, really big now, especially financially, but he still makes videos. I personally, I'm not a fan of Jeffree Star, but I gotta give it to him. He's consistent at least. I have to admit, I love doing makeup and all. I love brushes, but cleaning them is probably the worst part of having brushes and loving makeup. I can also remember when she said that she doesn't like showing her cleavage. She doesn't like showing off like expensive bags on Instagram, expensive shoes, expensive clothes, this and blah blah blah. But that's all that she does right now. Not that I'm bitter or anything. It's okay to be, you know, like showy like that, materialistic. Like, girl, you do you, I do me. It's okay. It's all good. But don't lie that you're humble if you're not. Because in this generation, people accept you for who you are. Like, even if you're a single mom, nobody judges you for that anymore. Unlike, you know, the time before. So if you love Chanel, then love Chanel. Wear all the Chanels that you can buy. If you like to show your big butt, your big cleavage, show it off. And I know as time people change. Maybe she did just change, so. But what I just don't get is that I feel like she's really successful already. That when she hit that peak, she stopped. Like, why stop if you already got success? You're not supposed to stop, right? You're supposed to keep going. Unless she wants to retire from success. Let's move on to the drama, to the YouTube community drama, and let's talk about makeup. I recently bought the Body Lava from Fenty Beauty. So excited on that. I'm gonna try that on a pool. I'm gonna make a video of that, of course. I'm gonna try it if it's water resistant or something. Watch out for that. I can't wait actually. I'm gonna be shiny and all. Rihanna's really slaying the game. And she's so quiet about it. She's not like Kylie Jenner who's just broadcasting everything, you know, making everything a hype. People hype Fenty Beauty. It's not Rihanna that hypes it. You know what I mean? You guys, I didn't realize how much brushes I have. My hands are so tired. Look at it. There's still a lot. Because you should not clean your brushes this way every week, or else it's really gonna get out of shape. And you should dry clean them most of the time. And probably clean them like this, like once a month. As you can see, I am really getting lazier at this because I am cleaning 3 brushes at a time. So I just finished. Look at my hands, they're all wrinkly. So I have decided that I am gonna put my big brushes right here. They're still kind of wet because as you can see, they're stacked up on each other, so you're not gonna have space to dry up and breathe. And I just decided that I do need another brush holder so that I can organize my brushes better. I do need more brush holders because I don't want them too crowded, and that can give your brushes deformity, spell deformity. Let's move on to the video. Anyways, these are the finished product. As you can see from before, it was really dirty, and now you can see the bristles. How white are they? They're natural colors as a brush. But yeah, I'm just gonna tell you guys goodbye right here. I'm not gonna go back to my makeup room yet because I gotta fix all the situation that I messed up right here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was fun. Yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.